I have a tip if you are an ASO manager or app publisher. And if you manage your languages and localizations for App Store Connect and Google Play Console in translation tools like Phrase or Lokalise. You create and manage your app descriptions, titles, and so on with Phrase or Lokalise. And now you ask yourself how to get all this into the stores. This is done quickly with the App Store Manager for my One and Elephant. In Phrase, go to the Languages tab and select the languages you want to set in the relevant store. In my example, I take all of them and I want to upload to Google Play Console. Then click on Export. It's pretty much the same in Lokalise, just keep in mind the locales have to match the App Store Manager's specifications. Now log into the App Store Manager. Configure your target app. Use the search if the app is already published or manually enter the package ID. Now create a description package. This simply holds the metadata for a particular app version in the store. Give it an appropriate name. Now switch to the App Descriptions tab and select Import, and then Import from File. Here you choose the file exported from Phrase. It already has the proper format. App Store Manager can handle the format from Phrase by default. This is pretty cool. Import the file. In the preview, you can check all the information read and then select the ones you want to apply. I choose all. In the last step, we upload everything to the Google Play Console. Select Upload for this. Now you can select or deselect individual languages. Access data is required. For this, there are more videos and tutorials from us available. You can find them on our channel and linked below. Now click on Upload, and all information created in Phrase will be transferred to Google Play Console. After a few minutes, the upload is done. I switch to the Google Play Console and see my translations in the main store listing. That's it. We have transferred data from Phrase to the store in a few steps and minutes. Of course, this also works with App Store Connect for iOS information and other translation tools like Lokalise. Have fun saving time.